Alright, today I have a Philips Sonicare toothbrush and I'm going to show you how to replace the head on the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. So to replace the head of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush is important. You're supposed to replace it every 3 months, but if you look closely at the toothbrush head, there should be an indicator right here. When it's new, the blue is full all the way up to the tip of the toothbrush. Now with usage, it will start to fade, and when it gets halfway, that's when you're supposed to replace the toothbrush head with a new toothbrush head, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Now it's important that you pay attention and make sure that it gets down to the halfway before you change it. That way you know for sure that you're getting the most out of using your Philips Sonicare toothbrush head. Now, the general rule for changing your toothbrush is once every 3 months, but depending on how much a person uses their toothbrush, it may vary drastically. So let's get started with changing the head of the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. I'm just going to simply place this right here. Now, with the toothbrush, to replace the head, you simply go ahead and pull up on it. Make sure that the toothbrush is off before you proceed with this operation. Make sure the toothbrush is off and pull on the head until it comes off. Now when it comes off, you may notice there's a lot of grime and grit on the base of the toothbrush. Just wipe it off with a wet cloth to get it off, the grime and grit, whatever's on there. Then you go ahead and get your new Philips Sonicare toothbrush head and come in and place it into place. Just simply press it into place till it's flush like that, and you're off to be using your Philips Sonicare toothbrush yet again. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.